All right, guys, I am doing another video. Here's JC sleeping. He's awake. I'm doing a vlog, so I can get the experience beforehand and after. I was sitting here working. Now I'm dressed for my event. This will be my second event speaking. A little bit not as prepared. This was last minute. I was asked. They booked a flight for me, and now I'm getting ready to go to the airport. I'm gonna try to make it on time, so I gotta go right now, and I will update you guys as I'm driving. Bye. Connecticut, Hartford, Connecticut. Yeah, here I go. Okay, I just got here to the airport, and I'm parked in the airport parking lot, as you guys can see. And I'm getting ready to head over to check into security, check my bag, do all of that stuff. So yeah, I will see you guys closer to the flight. Yeah, we're doing this. Yeah. Okay, made it through security. I did try to sneak my water in, so I put it in my main luggage. But I have snuck myself some Kangen water just in case, because the last time I did a trip, I was super dehydrated. So I'm hoping at least I can get my drinking water through this time. And it's a really beautiful day. I think I'm gonna start, what's it called when you boarding soon. So I'll see you guys on the plane.
You must add your partner, Connecticut,
So I'm in Dallas right now. I just got food from this place. They have a veggie burger. So I'm gonna try it, wish me luck, and then it's on to the next flight.
The coach of my heart. From your Papi Chulo, Giancarlo Tavares, the song is for you, Devon, Taylor, my love. I love you more than you love green. You're always lifting me up. I'll hold your hand and set you free.
Okay, I have made it to Hartford, Connecticut. And as you guys can see, I've got downtown right behind me. I've got my beautiful room inside. It's pretty late and I've got to wake up super early. So I'm going to go to bed, or I'm going to get ready for bed. And I will see you guys in the morning. I'm almost here.
13th floor. Get this energy going. How was last night, everybody?
Appropriate speech by being who you are. Not all of you want to be out and about, but I think others who are and are more comfortable can give you that courage.
Midwest. Todd Rosen, our Senior Vice President for the Midwest. Carolyn Maloney, our new title. What is your new title? Senior Thinking.
All right, good morning. How was the tour? Everybody like the tour? How many of you?
All right, guys, I'm going out to hang out with everyone at the conference. This is my outfit. I've got my trans awareness socks on specifically for this event. Got my nice little blue sweater to go with it. Yeah, I'm getting ready to get out of here and have some fun. See you guys in a little. I just want you guys to see a little bit more of the city. I'm on the ground level. Of course, there's that pretty painting again. I'm gonna try to get that street down there for you guys so you guys can see what it's like.
Actually, I think we'll just go down. I had scheduled a flight to go out and see him once we knew he was passing.
Wow.
And
This is so cool. Wow.
damn, her father was really not like
I can only imagine. I mean, she came from being a lawyer, right? Wow. That's pretty crazy.
And I can see it weighing on her, you know? That's not but
Wow.
girl, dog.
What's going on? I can only imagine. So
My
funny.
friends came and got it
Oh, nice.
this morning and took it to a
It's a lot of nice buildings downtown.
The Hilton Towers? Yep. They're gone? No, it's still there, but they gave the owners gave it back to the brief time of Christmas. Yeah.